Hello mga anakshis! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo ang inyong learning task number 2 na cube of a binomial. Ito ay part 2 ng learning task number 2 kasi 1 to 10 lang yung nasagutan natin nung last video. Okay? So, bago natin simulan, make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa akin para lagi kang updated. I-like mo na rin ang video na to at mag-comment ka na rin. Okay? So, let's start! Ang gagamitin nating formula or pattern ay a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3 times a times b squared plus b cubed. Or, para mas madali nating maintindihan, first cube plus 3 times first squared times second plus 3 times first times second squared plus second cube. Okay, so pwede ninyong gamitin to, which is number 11, the cube of 2 plus 2x cube. Positive 2 be the first term. Okay, so ito yung first term at ito yung second term. Pwede ninyong gamitin ito or pwede rin naman ito. Pero mas madali kasi kapag ganito na lang ang gamitin muna natin para hindi tayo nalilito. Okay, so what is first? That is positive 2. 2 raised to 3 plus 3 times first, that is 2, raised to the power of 2, times second, that is 2x cubed, plus 3 times 2 times 2x cubed squared. Then, ang last is plus second cube, that is 2x raised to 3 to the power of 3. Okay, so ganyan yung substitution niya. Ngayon, isimplify natin. 2 raised to 3, that is 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Plus 3 times 2 raised to 2. Ano ang 2 raised to 2? That is 4. So, 3 times 4 equals 12. Times 2x cubed, that is 12 times 2 equals 24. Then, ilagay natin yung variable. Plus 3 times 2, that is positive 6. So, maglagay muna tayo ng parenthesis. Times, what is 2x cubed raised to 2? Ibig sabihin nito ay 2x cubed times 2x cubed. Diba kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng polynomials, you are going to add the exponent. Then, i-multiply yung coefficient. So, that is 2 times 2 equals 4x. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So, yung sagot nito, lalagay natin dito. 4x raised to 6. Plus, 2x cubed raised to the power of 3. Ang ibig sabihin nito, multiply natin to ng 3 beses. And that is 2 times 2, 4. Times 2 equals 8. Then, yung exponent, i-add natin. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Or, power of a power, that is 3 times 3 equals 9. Kaya ang sagot nito, 8x raised to 9. Next, simplify natin to kasi hindi pa to na-simplify. So, that is 8 plus 24x cubed. 6 times 4 equals positive 24x raised to 6 plus 8x raised to 9. So, this is now the final answer. Pero, i-arrange natin siya. And that is, unahin natin yung may highest exponent, 8x raised to 9. Then, isunod natin ito, plus 24x raised to 6. Then, ito naman, plus 24x raised to 3 plus 8. So, this is now the final answer. Next, number 12, the cube of x squared minus 3. Again, using the pattern, ang first term natin ay x squared at ang second term ay negative 3. So, this is the first term, this is the second term. So, first cube, that is x squared raised to the power of 3 plus 3 times f, that is x squared raised to the power of 2 times second term, negative 3 plus 3, okay, times first term, x squared, times second term squared, negative 3 squared, plus second term raised to 3. So, negative 3 raised to the power of 3. Then, simplify. x squared raised to the power of 3, that is, we are going to multiply the exponent by power of a power. So 2 times 3 equals 6. That is x raised to 6 plus 3 times x squared times x squared, multiply the exponent, that is x raised to 4 times negative 3 plus 3x squared times negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9 plus negative 3 cube. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay negative 3 times negative 3 equals positive 9 times negative 3, that is negative 27. Okay? Next, simplify. So that is x raised to 6. Then 3 times x raised to 4, that is 3x raised to 4. Times negative 3 equals negative 9x raised to 4. Next, 3x squared times 9 equals positive 27x raised to 2 minus 27. Naka-arrange naman na siya according to its exponent. Ibig sabihin, this is now the final answer. Next, number 13, the cube of 2x plus 5. So, ang first term natin dito ay yung 2x. Ang second term natin ay yung 5. So, again, using this pattern. That is 2x raised to 3 plus 3 times first term 2x squared times second term 5 plus 3 times first term, that is 2x times, so may plus dyan, times second square, so that is 5 squared plus second cube, so that is 5 raised to 3. Then simplify. 2x cube, ang ibig sabihin nito 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Then x times x times x equals x raised to 3 plus multiply muna natin itong 3 times 5. So, that is 3 times 5 equals 15. Mamaya na natin i-multiply to para hindi kayo malito. So, 2x squared, that is 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Plus, 3 times 2x equals 6x. Times, 5 times 5 equals 25. Plus, 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Then, simplify. 8x raised to 3 plus 15 times 4 equals 60. Then, x squared. 6x times 25 equals positive 150x plus 125. Meron bang pwedeng i-combine dito or may like terms ba? Wala. Ibig sabihin, this is now the final answer since naka-arrange naman na siya according to its exponent. Number 14, the cube of the quantity of x plus 1 minus y. Okay, so ito medyo mahaba yung kanyang solution. Ito yung first term, x plus 1, which is binomial. At ito yung second term, negative y. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin. I-substitute natin yung mga values dito sa ating pattern. So, first term, cube muna. X plus 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 times first term is squared. So, ang first term yung x plus 1. So, x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 times second. So, ang second term natin is negative y. Plus 3 times first term, that is x plus 1 times second term squared, that is negative y squared, plus second term cube, that is negative y raised to 3. Then simplify. Okay, so meron ulit tayo ditong binomial, cube of binomial. So kailangan muna natin itong isimplify. Ihiwalay muna natin yung solution. So, that is x plus 1 cube. Again, using this pattern, this is the first term and this is the second term. Ano ang first term dito? That is x raised to the power of 3 plus 3 times first term squared. So, x times x equals x squared. Shortcut na yung ginagawa ko, ha. Then, times second, that is positive 1. Plus 3 times first term x times second term squared. 1 squared plus second term cube. Then, simplify, that is x cube plus 3 times x squared, that is 3x squared times 1, 3x squared pa rin siya. Plus 3 times x equals 3x times 1 squared equals positive 3x. Plus 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. Okay, so ito yung value ng x plus 1 raised to the power of 3. Ngayon, ilalagay natin ito dito. So, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay? Next, ito naman. Plus 3. Tapos, ito, square of a binomial. So, ihiwalay muna natin ang kanyang solution. Kunin muna natin itong x plus 1 squared. So, x plus 1 squared. Okay? So, diba tinuro ko na nung nakaraang video yung pattern ng square of a binomial. And that is square the first term plus 2 times first term times second term plus square of second term. Simplify, that is x squared plus 2 times x equals 2x times 1, 2x pa rin. Plus 1 squared is equal to 1. Okay, so ito yung value ng x plus 1 squared. Ngayon, ilalagay natin dito. X squared plus 2x plus 1 times negative y. Okay? Next, pagkahaba-haba talaga nito. X plus, multiply na natin ito dito by distributive method. 3 times x equals 3x. 3 times positive 1 equals positive 3. Negative y squared, that is negative y times negative y, positive y squared. Negative y cube, that is negative y times negative y times negative y. Magiging positive y ito times negative y ulit equals negative y pa rin. So, that is negative y raised to 3. So, ito, kopyahin muna natin. X cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Then, ito, i-multiply natin ito. 3 times x squared times negative y equals negative 3x squared y. 3 times 2x equals positive 6x times negative y equals negative 6xy. Ang susundan, next, ito, 3 times positive 1 equals positive 3 times negative y equals negative 3y. And i-add natin to, plus, meron ulit pa i-multiply dito by distributive method. Y squared times 3x equals 3xy squared. Next, y squared times 3 equals positive 3y squared minus y cubed. Meron bang pwedeng i-add dito na common terms? Kung wala na, edi ito na yung final answer. So, this is now the final answer. Or, kung gusto niyo namang i-arrange siya, standard form, so that is x raised to 3. Pero pwede na to, acceptable na to. Negative 3x squared y. Then, ang susunod ay positive 3xy squared. Then, ang susunod ay negative y raised to 3. Positive 3x squared. Ang susunod ay ito, minus 6xy plus 3y squared plus 3x minus 3y plus 1. Okay? So, this is now the final answer. Next, number 5, the cube of x plus the quantity of y minus 2. Again, meron na namang binomial ito. Ang first term dito ay yung x. Ang second term ay yung y minus 2. Merong pattern din ng cube of trinomial, pero masyadong mahaba yon at hindi ko pa naituro sa mga nakaraang video. So, ito muna ang gagamitin natin. Parang yung kagaya lang din siya ng number 14. Then, substitute the given values. First term, that is x raised to 3 plus 3 times first term x squared times second term y minus 2 plus 3 times first term times second term raised to 2 plus second term raised to the power of 3. Okay, then simplify. So, ito, x times x times x equals x raised to 3 plus 3 times x equals 3x squared. Then, y minus 2 plus 3 times first term plus 3 times x equals 3x. And then, merong itong square of a binomial ulit dito. So, kailangan muna natin itong simplify. Y minus 2 squared. So, the square of the binomial is equal to the square of the first term plus 2 times first term times second term plus square of the second term. Okay, so kailangan ninyong i-master yung mga tinuro kong special products. Dapat ulit-ulitin ninyo yon. Okay, so that is y squared plus 2 times y equals to y times negative 2 equals negative 4y plus negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Okay, so ito, ilalagay natin dito. Y squared minus 4y plus 4. Kasi ito yung value ng y minus 2 squared. Plus y minus 2 cube. Okay, so may cube na naman. So, kailangan na naman natin kunin yung cube ng y minus 2. And again, ito ang gagamitin nating pattern. Y minus 2 raised to 3. Okay, so first term is y. Y raised to 3 plus 3 times first term is squared. So, y is squared times second, negative 2 plus 3 times first, y times negative 2 squared plus cube of the second. Simplify, so that is y cube times y squared is equal to 3y squared times negative 2 equals negative 6y squared. 3 times y equals 3y times negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4. Kaya 4 times y times 3 equals positive 12y. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. Okay, so ito yung value ng ito. So, i-add natin dito. Plus y raised to 3 minus 6y squared plus 12y minus 8. Then, simplify natin. So, x raised to 3. Ito naman, gamitin natin yung distributive method. So, 3x squared times y equals positive 3x squared y. Then, 3x squared times negative 2 equals negative 6x raised to 2. Next, 3x times y squared is equal to positive 3x y squared. Next, 3x times negative 4y equals negative 12xy. 3x times positive 4 equals positive 12x. Plus, may plus na kasi dito. Y raised to 3 minus 6y squared plus 12y minus 8. Meron bang pwedeng i-combine dyan? May magkakapareho ba or magkakamukha ng variable? Kung wala, edi ito na yung final answer. Okay? Acceptable pa rin naman yan, pero kung gusto niyo yung standard, sundin niyo yung ginawa natin sa number 14 kanina. Okay, so maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyong mga modules and activities. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan or clarifications, just comment down below. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, please like, subscribe, at i-share nyo na rin sa mga classmates ninyo. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, at mag-aral lang mabuti. God bless you all, and goodbye!